Welcome back to Master Designs, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to draw arbok. Every day is like a fiesta out here. Our designs keep getting better and better, don't you think? So, you see, arbok is a poison type Pokemon, and he used to be one of Jesse's Pokemon from Team Rocket. As you may know, those two were always on the losing side. He and Weezing always lost to Pikachu and his Thunderbolts. But, you see, I don't know why Team Rocket always have to try to catch one Pokemon. It's just, I don't know why they just do that. Do you think that electricity hit them on the head or something? That's just messed up, man. I wish they could just forget about Pikachu and focus on other tasks. That way they'd be more super efficient in catching a Pikachu. I mean, catching other Pokemon. Catching wild Pokemon. I wish they didn't have to spend so much time catching one Pikachu. Jesus. Anyways, let's just get started. Here's his teeth. Okay, so you see when drawing arbok, he has a really big mane. Okay, so here's his. You see, arbok has a really scary cobra face, so make sure to add some hearts to his design and add a smile on the bottom of it. Okay, so be sure to. Oh man, I made him too big. Never mind. Let's just keep going. We could make do with what we have now. So, anyways, arbok, he has, like, and, there we go. Oh, shoot. Okay, then. Don't deal with that. And, there we go. And that's how you draw arbok. Make sure his tail is really long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll tell you which Pokemon I'm going to do next. See ya.